advisory in effect until 3 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. What? Southerly sustained wind up to 45 miles per hour expected. Where? Polk, Dallas, McLeod, Dade, Greene, Webster, Lawrence, and Christian counties. When? Until 3 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects, such as holiday decorations,